In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PayPal button to a forum. Okay, so let's post a new thread. I'm going to do this in the Warrior forum. So the PayPal button test. So if you have a marketplace in a forum somewhere, this is how you can do it. Okay, so say we want to put a button here. What we can do is go to PayPal. Okay, and of course, you have to go through the create a button process under merchant services here. I just go to my save buttons here. I'm going to pick a button that I already have created. I'll just go and view the code. Now, forums are not going to let you put form code in there, so that's not going to work. But looky here, email. This is a simple hyperlink, so just grab this and copy. Now let's open a notepad session, paste this in here. And now what we need is this button over here. So whether you're doing an add to cart or buy now, the button's going to show up here. So what you want to do is right click, do a save image as, and then save it somewhere on your own computer. Okay, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Now what you need to do is upload that somewhere. You can upload it to one of your own domains, so it has a path, like a website path to it, or you can upload it to a free hosting service like WebShots or one of those picture places, whatever you like. I'm going to upload it to one of my domains here. Okay, so this is FileZilla. On the left side is what's on your computer. On the right side is what's on your server. So you already have to have a hosting account set up, your domain name here, username and password to your hosting account. There's also a site manager where you can save all of your sites. Okay, so I'm going to upload it to one of my domains in images. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in here. So I find my image on this side. There it is. So I'm going to upload it. I'm going to rename it now. I'm just going to call it cart. Okay, so it is my domain name, thebestdoinfo.info/images/cart.gif. So I go back to the Warrior forum here, to where I want to post it. Here's the thing that adds a picture. Okay, so I put my picture URL in here. Like that. Okay, there's my add to cart button. Now we click on the add to cart there. And then over here, this is where you add a URL. Okay, so I insert the link. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my URL that I got from PayPal for my button. I copy that, paste it in here, click OK, and there it is. Now let's preview the post. And there's my add to cart button. Let's try it out. Let's click here. And there we are, over at PayPal, and everything works fine. So that's how you can easily add a PayPal button to your form.